a good sharp drop across indices yesterday, while US30 breached the mark at 30,000 levels and US100 went close to 11,000 levels. Now what is going, see, these were the predictions I gave 4 months back. Precisely it has achieved the levels which I targeted, and now trying to bounce back again. What is going to happen today, which trade we should take, where to enter, where to exit, we will try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to watch till the end. First we'll look into NASDAQ 100 followed with Dow Jones. Let's start the day with US100 first. See, US100 on the hourly charts increasing body size here, indicating little bullishness, but the resistance there at 11,220, 11,200 we need to watch out for. Yes, you can take a long entry at 11,280, then you can expect this zone to get achieved 11,280, 300, and beyond 11,300 we can expect a sharp rise. Also, one must observe that till the time it trades above 11,150, one can remain long. This is my expectation. Once it drops below 11,150, we can again expect 11,100 and below levels. Now if you look at the directional oscillator trading in a bearish territory, directional movement is bearish. The MACD has just crossed over and it is trading bullish, and it may continue the bull run for a little while till the time it crosses over again. The RSI looking upwards, the stochastic is overbought. Look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, so similarly, see the resistance there at 11,200 is very strong. It is trying to get this resistance, trying to trade, and once it shows you a breakout, once you see it trading below beyond 11,220, go long there, expect it to rise. See the next resistance at 11,280, 300, and then 11,400 level. See, this is also the highs of the channel on the 2-hour chart, so it may try to achieve 11,400 levels before it looks forward to any drop there. You can remain long for a target of 11,400 till the time it trades above 11,150 levels. The oscillator there trading in a negative zone. The directional movement is bearish here. The MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a bullish entry. The RSI looking flat and trying to look upwards. The stochastic looking upwards. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts it has shown a reversal. It may continue to rise. The next candle is yet to start. Probably the next candle can be further big, and we can expect it to come back to 11,300 first target, 11,400 next target zone. 11,400 is going to be a larger and stronger resistance today. If you look at the oscillator there trading in red, and yes, the directional movement is bearish. The MACD is trying to converge. The RSI was oversold, now trying to look upwards, and stochastic is looking upwards too. Similarly, if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts it has come out of this bearish zone. It has seen lower lows, higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, and now trying to bounce back, and probably we are looking forward to 11,280, 300 and 11,400. So at least my expectation is that it may try to achieve 11,400, and in fact if it tries to rise beyond 11,400, 11,500 cannot be denied. So there is a probability that it can try to trade above. See, 11,400 is a strong pivot, and it may try to trade above this zone, hence you can remain long. The directional movement oscillator there trading in bearish zone. The directional movement is bearish. The MACD is trading flat, and the is RSI near to bottom. They are trying to bounce back. The stochastic is oversold, and hence a little bounce back can be expected. Similarly, on the daily charts, see, on the daily charts we must say that previously it has seen lower lows. This is also the bottom of the bands there, and also if you consider this as a channel in which it is trading, the support there at 11,000 levels is strong. Yes, below 11,100 you can go short, 11,150 you can go short for 11,100, and 11,100 is a very strong support. Below that you can expect it to hit 11,000 levels. Below 11,000 there could be a sharper drop. However, I'll look forward to a rise today possibly, and yes, if it continues to rise, we may see 11,400, 11,600 levels can also be seen, can also be expected today. This is the channel in which it is trying to trade. Hence, be cautious with the shorts. Only short entry is, you can say, 11,100 level, and yes, till the time it trades above 11,150, we can stay long. The oscillator trading in a bearish territory. The directional movement is bearish here too. It is divergent on the daily charts, and if you look at the MACD, this is also bearish. The RSI is at the bottom there. The stochastic was oversold, now trying to look back up on the upside. So there is a probability today that till the time it trades above 11,150, one can go long for 11,300 and 11,400. This 11,400 should get achieved at least before it looks forward to a drop. And yes, beyond 11,400 we can look forward to 11,460, 11,500 zone, 11,550, 11,600 zone. This is going to be a very strong resistance. 11,600, if it trades above, you can consider that as a bullish reversal and it may try to fly high on the upside. Be watchful of this. On the downside, once it breaks below 11,100, we can go short at 11,100. Expect it to hit 11,000 levels. This time it may not reverse from 11,050, but it will hit 11,000. And the next target is 10,950. 10,950 is a very strong support levels. Once 10,950 is taken, you can consider further more fall there. So take your trades accordingly. Do not trade between 11,100 to 11,150. Yes, till the time it trades beyond 11,150, one can stay long for 11,300 and 11,400 levels. And yes, it can reverse any point of time. These are swings day. Do not stick to your position. Close your trades whenever you see in profit. Else it can reverse any point of time. Take your trades accordingly. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Now look at the. Let's have a look at the Dow Jones. See, US30 on the hourly charts is coming out of this channel. It is coming out of the bearish moves and it is trying to go long here. The resistance there at 3200 is very strong for US30. I'll be watchful of that. Once it breaks past 3200, we can expect it to rise for 3400, 3500 levels. In fact, it can fly beyond those levels. The support at 30,000 levels is now going to play a pivotal role. The oscillator there trading in negative direction, but it may try to crossover after a couple of green candles. The directional movement is bearish. The MACD has crossed over on the hourly chart. The RSI looking up first. The stochastic is overbought, so be watchful of that. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts with the support at 30,000 level, it is trying to rise. The resistance there at 3,200 is strong. Beyond that, we will be looking forward to 3,400, 3,600. See, it can come back till towards 3,550, 600 levels before it looks forward to any further drop. So yes, it is still trading in this bearish channel, but the highs of this channel are at around 3,500, 3,600 levels. So yes, it can try to achieve those levels before it looks forward to any drop. The oscillator there trading in negative or bearish territory. The directional movement is bearish. MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a bullish move. RSI looking upwards and the stochastic is trying to enter overbought levels. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, here is the reversal here, and probably with the reversal candle it is trying to give you a breakout out of this channel. Probably the second candle now, which is going to start in another 1-2 minutes. We can be watchful of that. If it breaks past 3110, you can go long for 3,200 and then 3,400 levels will be seen today itself, and beyond that also it can fly till towards 3,550, 600 levels. So be watchful of that move. It can definitely give you a good profit if it continues till the time it continues to trade beyond 30,000 levels today. Now look at the oscillator there. Oscillator is trading bearish here. On the 3-hour chart, the directional movement is bearish here. The MACD is still trading flat without any direction there. The RSI is near to oversold levels. Stochastic is also oversold but trying to come out of that. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, this is the second green candle. It has come out of this lower highs, flat bottom. This is a breakout candle and probably we may see a little more rise on this candle. The third candle may also appear, which can try to take it towards 3,400 levels. So this level at 3,400 is definitely a stronger resistance. Sustaining beyond 3,400, we can expect 3,500, 550, 600. Till 3,600 levels, it has got stronger resistance. Beyond that, it will definitely fly on the upside. The oscillator there trading in a bearish zone. The directional movement is bearish. The MACD not indicative of anything. RSI oversold, now trying to come back up. Stochastic is also oversold, now trying to bounce back. Now coming back to the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can see here, on the daily charts, higher highs have been done previously. This candle retraced back a bit on the downside. Now I'll be watchful of 30,000 levels. If it trades below 30,000, one can again expect 29,800, which is a very strong support level, and breaking below 29,800, there could be a sharper fall till towards 29,600. But till the time today it trades above 30,000 levels, we can expect, rather I will say 29,950 levels. Till the time it trades above 29,950, I will expect it to bounce back. And yes, you can go long at 3120 for a target of 3,200, and beyond that it will hit 3,400 levels. So 3,400 the next important resistance. Beyond that it will fly for 3,600 the next resistance, and then beyond that sky is the limit. On the downside, once it breaks below 29,950, once again 29,900 29,800 will come into picture, and then below that we may see a sharper fall till towards 29,700, 600 level. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with the strict stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. These are swing days. Do not think that market is going to remain in your direction. It is going to remain short, it is going to remain long. It can reverse any point of time at any levels. So always it is better to put your stop loss at cost whenever your trade is in profit, or at least trade with the trailing stop loss so that it can close anytime whenever you see the market reversing. Take your trades accordingly, trade profitably. Join my Telegram channel, join my mentorship batch, join my VIP signals group. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram ID and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.